time to get some trader talk. Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial is at the ready. Alan, how are you liking this market?
Hi, Angie. I'm liking what I see here. We're having a 2-day snapback S&P attack with the highs in sight once again.
How are your trading positions coming along, Alan?
Let's talk about what we have. We exited Twitter on Tuesday, half of our position, 50% gain in 1 week there. We still have the other half for March for more upside potential to see if that stock can attack the highs. Also, a nugget position for February. Coming into yesterday, it was about a half of what we paid. So let's see, the metals obviously are in play. What happens in February?
Let's get that reveal of your trade trigger for this week.
Today's trade trigger, again, it's Apple. Delicious profits were taken in Apple in November, December, and January. Looking to do it once again. The stock fell back after that big run up. Now, we took profits last week, 100% gain up at those highs at 145. And then we've seen a sell-off, a profit-taking pullback after earnings were announced. But coming back to the breakout point, leaning on that 125 level support, we're looking at the 123 calls for March 5th. So now it's a weekly option. It's not a conventional option. It's about 30 days of time. The idea here was the February option didn't have enough time, and the March 5th, which is an extra 2 weeks, only costs an extra $100. So again, this stock is set up. A full V recovery back to the highs targets 160 once again in Apple, and it's been a great bite for us.
You've had some juicy bites of Apple indeed. What are your trading day takeaways?
Trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number 1. Let's talk about money flows. That's all the news. It doesn't matter who causes the money flows. Following this money is what we've been doing for years and years, and it's been super, super successful. Number 2, the key is the strategy as much as the stock. So what we do here is we limit our risk. We buy in the money options, deep in the money options that have limited risk. It's like being long the stock at a super discounted price for less money with limited risk. So we call it the lose no sleep strategy. And as you've seen, it's worked well because when we see a modest move in the stock, these options really go, go, go. And number 3, I'm going to say 3 me. Stock sold off 3% last week with all of that excitement and all of that volatility and all that concern. And guess what? Monday and Tuesday, it's made it back. So we're ready to attack those highs once again. So nothing new here.
This market is unbelievable. Thanks so much, Alan.
Thank you.
Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.